Do you want to know how to earn $100 per day with no work using new app? Yeah, I'm going to show you in this video today how you can use an app that makes you money. So before I dig into the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. I'm Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So let's move on to the method that I'm going to show you by which you can earn definitely $100 per day with no work at all. Yes, that is very true, and believe me, you will be amazed how easy it is. And the process, the site that I'm going to show you for earning money is called cjinc.info, cjinc.info. This is the site. This is the company is called Creative Jobs, and that is the site that's going to pay you money for simple tasks that you already know. So this is a really good site. They have lots of job categories to get paid, and they're always saying that they have seats for you. Always they have seats for you, so you have opportunity every time from them to earn money online. So if you go over to their site, and you can see that they are a work at home site. They have lots of work at home jobs like market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching, and many more. Whatever you do, you get paid from them. You choose your options, your work, your preferred work that you love to do, and get paid for them. This is the way you can earn money online. But wait, what about the no work? Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use this website and use a job that going to pay you for your work, but you have to do no work from your part. This is a very important thing. This is the strategy. Today I'm going to show you a way by which you can get that done using a simple app that is free to use. So if you go on to this site and scroll right down below, and you can see that this company is working since 2014. So this is a really good and old company that is paying their customers, they paying their employers for 6 years and more. So this is a very established site. This is a real site that you can trust and work with. So if you move on to the menu sections where they say career, if you mouse over there, they are showing all the jobs that currently they have. So if you go over to the career, all those jobs are listed here in this page, where you can see that they have online paid survey, online typing jobs, offline typing jobs, online teaching jobs, online ad publishing jobs, online medical transcription jobs, online language translation jobs, online proofreading jobs, and content writing jobs. Vast majority and most of the jobs are really easy to do. But for today's video, as we are not doing any work, you do not need any work, so we choose the online proofreading jobs, this one here. So if you click on this online proofreading jobs, this page will show up, the proofreading page, where it explains what is proofreading. That is, they are going to give you some sample articles like 2 to 3 pages or 10 pages or something like that, and you will proofread those articles and fix all the grammatical errors of that article and submit that article back to Creative Jobs company, and you will get paid for them. So what is the payout rate? See, as a proofreader, you can see that as a proofreader you can earn as $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. This is really cool. So if you just like, for example, if you just like get paid $5 per page, if you work for just 5 to 10 pages per day, then you are making $50 per day. And if you calculate it for the month, then this is a really easy $1,200, which is really great pocket money. And you know it, this is the minimum. You can get up to $10 per page. So if you get $10, then it's more than $2,000 per month, which is a really good amount of money to get going. So what is the eligibility for here is, if you know a basic English and a basic grammar, this will do the work. But let me show you, you can do it manually, you can do it by yourself, but I'm showing you that you can do it professionally without taking any work from your part. You do not have to know any grammatical error, you do not have to be expert on English, you do not have to be expert on grammar. You can just do this job without doing that. So I assume you know already a simple basic English. That is okay. As you are reading this article, you're seeing this video, you know some English, right? But you do not need to be a grammatical expert for do this work. So how is this work? So let's scroll down here. You can see that you can ask for payout, which is $25 threshold that you just reach, and you ask for payout, and they will going to pay you by PayPal, check, and online money transfer any way you want. This is a really good way, and they pay regularly. So how you can register and what is the fee? So you can see that registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden charge before and after the joining. So this is very important. You do not need to pay any money to work in this site. So all you have to do is just go down below and click the apply for jobs button. When you click on that, this page will show up. And if you scroll in the middle section here, and you can see that the application form link here, and if you click on this application form link, this form will load, and this is the registration form to work for them. And there is a little catch to fill up this form to get accepted by Creative Jobs. So all you have to do is just follow my instructions step by step. So in the registration form, you can see that you can choose the application jobs. So the jobs you are applying for is listed here. You just choose the proofreading job, as we are doing the proofreading, and then you fill the name field and email and date of birth and gender and your marital status. That's already you know. So you just fill it up and then put your contact number here, so that there is a way that they can contact you by phone when there are any jobs available for you to work. And then you can write your country, and don't worry, any country in the world is accepted by these Creative Jobs. So this is a really good site to work with worldwide. So if you scroll down, and you can see that current profession status, this is very important. See, employed and freelancer, this is very important. Employed and freelancer, you just select these both if you want to get accepted by Creative Jobs and get some works regularly. Otherwise there is a good chance that you will get rejected. So you click on employed and freelancer to get accepted by them. Then in the hours sections, what hours are you available to work? This is also very important. You just check 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So this is a very good way that you are available all the day, so that they can give you jobs to work with. And as these jobs are really easy to do, as I'm showing you right now, it just takes 2 to 5 minutes to do. So you can do it anytime, anywhere. This is really awesome. So that is why you check you are available throughout the day, no matter what, then this is the firm you are comfortable to work with, on one company or multiple companies. Yes, this is another very important questions that you have to check on multiple companies, so that there is a greater chance you get more jobs than if you select one company. So your preferred payout options here, that is up to you, and that's it. You just check the terms and conditions and hit submit, and you are good to go with them. They will contact you that how they reject you or accept you. But if I follow my instructions, there is a get better chance that you get accepted by them without any problem. Then what I have to do, when you register, you will get jobs, and they will send you some articles like this one. And if you get some articles like this, like if this article is like 3 pages long, so if I done this grammatical proofreading for this article, then definitely they're going to pay me like $25, $20 to $25 I'm getting from this article. So this is really awesome. So what to do when you receive an article? So this is the app I'm going to show you right now. But before that, if you have not liked this video, please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, and move on to my method. And this is the method that I'm showing you. The app is called slickwrite.com. Slickwrite.com. This is a really good grammatical checking site that is really powerful, and it's free, and it's using AI to check your writing, whether their article has any grammatical problem or not. So if you click on start writing here, you can see that there is a text field here, and all you have to do is just copy all the articles here from the file they have sent you. Then just go over there and paste the article and go down below, hit continue, and they are working in the background, and boom, it just couple of seconds, and they are highlighting all the articles words that are grammatically not correct, and you can just click it and change the way you want it. And this is really awesome. They have already identified all the grammatical problem and proofread whole article in just seconds. All you have to do is just edit those lines, those words, and your words, and change and fix those grammatical error, and you are good to go with them. Then the second app that I'm going to show you, which is also free, and you can get your proofread your article, which is called Grammarly.com. Grammarly is a famous website right now, has thousands and millions of views and members every day, and they have a really good tools to check grammatical error, and they are really professional at it. So if you scroll down, if you go over to Grammarly.com and you scroll down to at the bottom, and you can see that they have grammar checker option here. If you click on that, this page will show up, and you just paste the article here as well, and you just hit enter, and you can see that Grammarly is proofreading your article. And this is really cool, and you can see it's just showing you what are the problems it had found in these articles, and you just sign up there for free and get the proofreading done for you from Grammarly.com. And then you just go over to creative jobs and fill the email here. Here is their email address, and you just take the proofreaded and grammatical error-free article from those sites you like any way you want. Then just get that Word document, send it by email to creative jobs, and you are good to go, and you will get paid for them. This is a really good way to earn decent amount of money every day. Even 10 pays per day, 10 pages just taking 20 to 30 minutes of your time. That is $100 for 30 minutes of 20 minutes of work. And this is really awesome. This is why I tell you, you can earn $100 per day, and this is sky is the limit. More you work, more money you will earn. And so this is the way you have to be active, and money will follow you. So if you like these methods, please share your thoughts in the comment side below, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.